Ben Jokno, the Transportation Secretary, Secretary Jimmy Bautista. Also here with us as a member of the Cabinet is the Budget and Management Secretary, Secretary Mina Pangandaman, and as a special guest for our proceedings today, Senator Amy Marcos, who is representing, I suppose, the upper house, the honorable members of the House of Representatives, our good friend who has been at the forefront of assisting us in all of these very big ticket projects as the president of the ADB, President Susugi Asakawa, our mayor of Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte. Today we welcome yet another milestone that heralds a very large leap towards realizing our goal to modernize our country's public transportation system. It's my pleasure to witness and participate in today's event, where we formalize the loan agreement for the Davao Public Transport Modernization Project, or DPTMP. This project aims to support the city of Davao as it progressively expands its economic activities. It is therefore the right time to commence this project. The project will have an integrated network of 29 routes and will connect major commercial centers in Davao and will yield various socio-economic opportunities for Davaoenos. This modernization project has long been envisioned as early as 2010, and of course we are delighted that finally we are ready and geared up to start the project's long-awaited and anticipated implementation. More importantly, this project is made possible through the adequate financing of our country's active and reliable partner in social and economic projects since its inception. Hindi lang ito, at napakatagal na tayo'y tinutulungan ng ating partner in development, ang aking tawag sa kanila, ang Asian Development Bank. I thus urge the DOTR to strive to accomplish the project within the set timeline, ensure that it affects the least number of people and activities as possible, and work together with the concerned agencies in addressing all the different concerns, such as funding requirement, new traffic, those households that will be affected. So to my dear Davaoeno brothers and sisters, I give you my commitment that this administration will not fall short in delivering services that you all deserve. Once again, congratulations to all involved in this very significant occasion.